GF आसतना GFDC कित्याक स्थापन केली? GFDC स्थापन करपाचो सरकाराचो निर्णय पुरायपणान चुकीचो आशिल्लो. गोंयच्या फुटबॉलाची अवस्था सामकीच बाबत जाल्या. ताका लागून GFDC परतून संजीवनी दिवची पडटली अशें युरीचें म्हणणें आसा.
FA and GFDC, Speaker sir, these are people at loggerheads today. Why was GFDC formed? According to me, Speaker sir, the move of the government to form GFDC was wrong in the first place. Speaker sir, GFDC today needs to, GFA, it was the parent organization of football. And football, jenna ami uloitna, aaj if you look, the standard according to me of football has dropped, has dipped. GFDC needs to be energized and given maximum facilities and they have to be fixed accountability घेवपाक जाय तेंकडे. Moving in the wrong direction because of the ego of Goa Football Association and GFDC. And with this, yeah, football आमगेले सगळे आज हे पाड जाता because जायते आमगेले हे क्लब आहाय, लोकल क्लब आहाय, जावं डेम्पो, जावं सलगांवकर, जावं चर्चिल ब्रदर्स, एमगेले व्यू तुम्ही घेवपाक जाय because आज जे आय लीग म्हणून जाता, आय लीग जे म्हणून जाता ते आय लीग एक ग्रास रूट लेवलाचे फुटबॉला प्लेयरांक चान्स